Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 61. This is on finding the time constant for the given network. Okay, here you can see here this network is a combination of R and L. So therefore the basic time constant formula tau is equal to L by R is the formula of time constant. Now so when you're finding this, already I had solved problem number 60. You can see here, if you have an current source, we have to open circuit the current source. If you have a voltage source, you have to short circuit and draw the remaining elements, resistor 1 ohm and another resistor 1 ohm. So this is 1 ohm and this is another ohm. And inductor is there now. This inductor or capacitor has to be open circuit, right? And from the open circuited terminal, find out R equivalent. Okay, so already from the problem itself, we're able to understand L equivalent is nothing but the given only one inductor, which is nothing but 1 Henry. So L equivalent is 1 Henry by R equivalent we need to find out. Okay, so R equivalent is the current will start flowing and current will flow in this branch only. Okay, so why? Because current will not flow in this branch. Why? Because here it is open circuited. Since it is open circuited, current will not flow in this branch. Therefore the resultant resistance is only 1 ohm. Therefore R equivalent is equal to 1 ohm. So therefore time constant is equal to L equivalent by R equivalent is the time constant. L equivalent as per the given problem is 1 Henry divided by R equivalent. Already we calculated by open circuiting the current source and by open circuiting the inductor or capacitor, whatever it may be given in the problem. So divided by 1 ohm. So this is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1 second. Hope these sort of problems will generally appear in GATE exams. So for your clarity, I have been solved. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. So I repeat the technique how I solved. Current sources has to be deactivated. Deactivating the current source is nothing but making it open circuited. If any voltage source is there, this has to be deactivated. Making it deactivated is nothing but voltage is equal to 0, is indirectly short circuiting it. If you have any inductor in the problem, so just make the inductor as open circuit. If you have any capacitor in the problem, just the capacitor also has to be made open circuited. This is the basic procedure of solving the problem. If you understand this technique, you can solve any category of the problem like this, finding the time constant for the networks. Hope you are able to understand. We will meet in another video. Yours obediently, Ram. Thank you for watching.